Shoot a little video of this beautiful Jeepster Commando, completely restored from one end to the other. Actual AACA, American Automobile Club of America show winner, first place. We'd love to take it outside for you and show you it running and driving, but the weather has not been advantageous for that. It's been raining, and we don't like to take our beautiful vehicles out in the weather. But I guarantee you 100% it is a beautiful running and driving vehicle. So we'll see if we can just show you a little bit of it today. We do have the full photos on the site. The interior is drop dead gorgeous, as well as the rest of the vehicle. And compared to many of the Broncos we have had and sold, the prices on these are starting to rise, but there's a lot of upside. So the time to get into one of these is now. I'll try to sneak around the back. We're tight in here with a lot of vehicles. It's prominently displayed in our showroom museum. We have 3 showrooms